Hey everyone, is your car shifting weirdly, or is the transmission warning light on? If your scanner shows P0865, Transmission Control Module Communication Circuit High, then your car's TCM might be struggling to send the right signals to the PCM. But don't worry, in this video I'll break down what P0865 means, its symptoms, common causes, and most importantly, the exact sensor location so you can diagnose it quickly. Let's get started. What is P0865? The P0865 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module detects a high voltage issue in the communication circuit of the transmission control module. This issue can cause serious shifting problems, unexpected gear changes, or even put your car into limp mode. Common symptoms of P0865: check engine light or transmission warning light, harsh delayed or slipping gear shifts, transmission stuck in limp mode, unusual RPM fluctuations, poor fuel efficiency. Now let's move to sensor locations so you can find the problem quickly. Transmission control module, usually found on the transmission housing or near the firewall in the engine bay. Controls transmission operations and communicates with the PCM. Powertrain control module, typically mounted in the engine bay near the firewall or under the dashboard. The main control unit that manages both engine and transmission functions. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Runs between the TCM, PCM and other transmission sensors. Transfers electrical signals for transmission control. Battery and ground connections. Battery terminals and ground points near the chassis or engine bay provide stable voltage for proper communication between modules. Common causes of P0865: faulty or disconnected TCM. A damaged or unresponsive TCM can cause high voltage readings. Corroded or loose connectors. Bad wiring connections can lead to erratic signals. Shorted or broken wiring. Harness. A break in the circuit can cause high resistance. Faulty power supply or battery issues. Overvoltage conditions may interfere with module communication. How to fix P0865. Step 1. Check all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, damaged wires, or loose plugs between the TCM and PCM. Step 2. Inspect the battery and charging system. Ensure your battery and alternator are providing stable voltage. Step 3. Scan for additional trouble codes. Other transmission codes may help pinpoint the root cause. Step 4. Test the TCM and PCM functionality. Use a diagnostic scanner to check if both modules are responding properly. Step 5. Reset or reprogram the TCM/PCM. A reset might clear the communication error. The P0865 trouble code means your transmission control module is sending abnormally high voltage signals to the PCM, which can cause shifting problems and limp mode. By checking wiring, battery voltage, and module communication, you can diagnose and fix the issue before it gets worse. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.